Ako nga pala si Rian Man, and wala po sa AJ Man. Nandun po siya naka-end. Get ready for me. Mag-makeup po ako. Pero pambata lang naman po. Huwag naman po kayo makapag-judge. Baka naman. Baka na. Lang, ito yung magic ball ako. May tubig kasi yan. Pang ano sa makeup. Ay. Oh no. Nabasa guys. Parang tubig rin po yung nilagay ko sa mukha ko. You know, nabasa yung mukha ko. Grabe, wait lang, wala kang bulak guys. Mag-skin lang po tayo. Ito po, dumi. Wait lang. Meron din niyo po yata nakikita. Ahit po, malabo. Lagyan ko pa ng skin ko. Ang bata mo kasi talaga itong skin ko natin. Kaya po, nasa bawala. Pero po may bola ko. Nakakalito mo nga po yung skincare ko. Kasi may bola rin akong ganito. Na kulay orange. Laruan ko po. Or laruan rin po ng kapatid ko. Tapos maghugas na naman tayo ng face kasi bawal tayo mag-makeup na matagal. Kasi guys, wala tayong lip gloss. Wala ang lip gloss ko. Kukuha lang ako ng ito guys, ito ang makeup ko Sarah lang magbe-makeup tayo guys. Get ready with me. Let's go. Ready na kayo guys. I'm sure ready na rin kayo. Oh no! Okay guys. Mag-first. Wait lang. Nakatingin po ako sa salamin dito. Uy! Nakatingin ako po dyan sa salamin. Wait lang po guys. Ay, saan ba? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Nandiyan po nakalagay yung salamin para baka kasi mali po kayo. Oh, man! Kukuha pa ako bulak. Lalatin ko na. Kamayin ko na lang. First time ko itong gumana. Maganda ba? Pero ang pangit lang. Ito kasi artig po na to. Diyan ko nga. So, kakalatin lang po natin yan. Mami, tingnan mo yung natin ko. Makeup siya. Makeup siya. Ito. Sa akin to eh. Akala mo ah. Ito na sa AJ Mandels. Tapos,
This guy wakes up to find out that he has X-Men claws in his hands. He tries to get rid of them, but fails to do so. He touches the claws, but gets hurt because they're too sharp. It's going to be a while till he gets used to them. He tries to open the door, but pierces the claws through it instead. He then uses a saw to cut the claws, but breaks the saw instead. Amazed by this, he tries to drink his favorite cola, but then this happens. The reason for his superpower is that one day he and his friend were struck by a mysterious light coming from the sky. When his friend woke up, he was shooting laser beams from his eyes. So he covered his eyes with glasses, but that doesn't help. He closes his eyes to control his laser beam, and he accidentally eats Legos for breakfast. He talks to his friend about this, and they finally realize their superpower. Now my guy gets a special pair of glasses to control his laser beams. His friend uses his claws to make a salad, and he uses his laser to cook the chicken.
Kasi
He
po
even
hindi
uses his
talaga.
claws to shave, cause why not? Now they can finally put their superpowers
Eh,
to
why
good use
not?
because
Ito rin po.
this guy wakes up to find out
Sinabi
that he
po
has
sa
X-Men
cellphone
claws in
AJ
his
man,
hands.
why
He tries
not?
to get
Ito
rid of
rin
them,
po,
but
why
fails to do
not?
so. He touches the claws, but
Why
gets
not?
hurt because they're too sharp. It's going to be a while till he gets used to them. He tries to open the
Lalagay
door,
ko
but
po
pierces the
dito.
claws through it instead.
Yan,
He
maganda
then
na po.
uses a saw to cut the claws, but breaks the saw instead. Amazed by this, he tries to drink his favorite cola, but then this happens.
Ito. May purple. May pa ito.
Why not?
Tapos na yun.
Light coming from the sky.
Ito naman.
When his friend woke up, he was shooting
Mamaya
laser
yun.
beams from his eyes. So he covered his eyes with glasses, but that doesn't help. He closes his eyes to control his laser beam, and he accidentally eats Legos for breakfast.
There you go.
He talks to his friend about this, and they
Kain.
finally realize their superpower. Now my guy gets a
May
special pair of
nakikita
glasses
ko.
to control his laser beams. His friend uses his claws to make a salad, and he uses his laser to cook the chicken. He even uses his claws to shave, cause why not? Now they can finally put their superpowers to good use because this guy wakes up to find out that he had
Guys, tae. Maganda naman po ba, guys? Lang po. Tayo na po yata. Wait lang po. Itong cotton buds, na yan. So, wala tayong lip tint. Wait lang, alam tayo ng bag. Karami-rami ba naman ng bag? Oh, karami-rami ng
guy
bag.
wakes up to find out that he has X-Men.
Karami-rami ng bag yun. Yan. Mga ilang tayo. Wait lang, tatanong ko kay Mami. Mami, bagay? Kaso, guys, wala tayong lip. Bagay? Ano ba yan? Ba't ganun yung blush on? Magic ko nun. Yuko. Hey, Mama. Okay. Sige na. Gusto mo ta? Hindi. May dimple ako, guys. Dito lang. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Oh no, me. tayong lipstick. Oo, hahanap tayo lipstick. Mama? Hugas akong kamay.
Yung Diyos, wala nang ilong.
Malasan lip tint mo. Ha? Lip tint. Lipstick. Ayun natin po. Ha? Make-upan? Saan make-upan? Sa bag mo? Ah! Alam ko na. Nandito para may kiss. Oh! Ito ba yan, ma? Mama, ito yun. Pwede sa akin pa? Mama! Ma! Pwede sa akin to? Si mama. Pwede sa akin to, mama?
Oo.
Ma! Legat ba yan? Ito guys, ito ang brand. Ang hirap naman buksan. Lusan size nila na. Aba ha? Ang kapal. This is the final look! Sabi mo. Uy, uy. This is the final look. The final look is beautiful. Maganda. Maganda siya, guys. Maganda. Bagay naman yata. Bye! See you! Bye-bye! Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like, at mag-comment, at mag-share!